A South African court has ordered the youngest son of Zimbabwe's former president Robert Mugabe to pay a large fine and be deported for pointing a toy gun at someone and breaking immigration laws. 28-year-old Bellarmine Mugabe has been in custody since mid-February alongside his cousin and co-accused Tobias Hodse after being implicated in the shooting of a gardener following an altercation. While Bellarmine Mugabe pleaded guilty to pointing a toy gun in a separate incident, his cousin pleaded guilty in the case in which a worker was shot. Previously, Mugabe was also charged with attempted murder, but after Hodse pleaded guilty, the charge was dropped. The court's decision came following a failed plea deal by Mugabe, who admitted to being in South Africa illegally. The court fined Mugabe $36,000 on 2 counts. It also ordered his immediate deportation with police to escort him to Johannesburg or Tambo International Airport.
Number one, as far as count 5 is concerned, you are fined to 400,000 rands or 24 months imprisonment. As far as count 6 is concerned, that's the immigration law, 49, section 49(1)(a. You are fined 200,000 rands or 18 months imprisonment. It is also ordered that you be deported. You will be escorted by the investigating officer who is here at court today and who must be complimented for that.
On the other hand, co-accused Tobias Hodse pleaded guilty to attempted murder and other charges, such as defeating the ends of justice. Hodse has been sentenced to 3 years in prison, after which he will be deported. Bellarmine Mugabe is one of 2 sons that Robert Mugabe had with his second wife, Grace. The two brothers have at times lived in Johannesburg, where they have gained a reputation for living the high life. Robert Mugabe ruled Zimbabwe for almost 4 decades until he was deposed in a coup in 2017. For more on this story, our correspondent Calden Ongmu has sent us this report from Johannesburg. Listen in.
South Africans say they are not surprised that Bellarmine Mugabe avoided jail with a fine, while his cousin Tobias Mugabe Mathodze will serve 3 years. Some believe Hodse took the blame. Mugabe, son of former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe, paid nearly $37,000 fine and was deported immediately after admitting to being in South Africa illegally and pointing a toy gun in a separate, unrelated incident. Hodse pleaded guilty to attempted murder and will be deported after serving his sentence. This is Calden Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.